And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious red cabbage coleslaw. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to add 230 grams of red cabbage, half a red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 large finely grated carrot, and 280 grams of vegan mayo. And to season it up, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. And now I'm going to mix it all up. And just remember, you can make it your own by adding the ingredients you like. This smells really good and I know it's gonna taste delicious. And to finish it off, a sprinkle of coriander. And this is how it should look. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.